Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create a kitchen sink like this by using SolidWorks. There is a very simple and easy way to create such type of parts. So continue watching this tutorial till end. Sketch on front plane and draw a rectangle. Define it 1500 millimeters and 2200 millimeters. Now select sketch fillet and select all. Fillet radius 300 millimeters. Press OK button and then in the features tab click on extruded bow space command and extrude it up to 1000 millimeters. Press OK button. Now click on this face and sketch. Make normal to and draw a rectangle. Now select sketch fillet and select all. Fillet radius 300 millimeters. Press OK button and then select a center line. Draw from this midpoint to this midpoint. Make relation horizontal. Now define it. $200 millimeters. Similarly 200 millimeters. Press OK button and in the features tab select extruded cut command. Now extrude it up to 500 millimeters. Press OK button. Again sketch on this face and draw a straight slot. Now select center line and draw from this midpoint to this midpoint. Now make relation horizontal. Now drag it. Draw a center line from this point to this point and make relation horizontal. Now define it. $400 millimeters. Define this length 600 millimeters. Press OK button. Now in the features tab click on extruded cut command and cut it up to 300 millimeters and press OK button. Now select fillet command in the features tab and click on this edge and then on this edge. Fillet radius 100 millimeters. Press OK button. Again select fillet command and then this edge and this edge. Fillet radius 100 millimeters. Press OK button. Again fillet command and this edge. Fillet radius 100 millimeters. Press OK button. Now sketch on this face and draw a circle. Select center line to align it. Make horizontal. Define it the diameter of this circle 100 millimeters. Press OK button and then save and exit from sketch. Similarly, sketch on this face and draw a circle. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these circles and make relation equal. Then click on this point and then this point, make relation horizontal. Now again select center line and draw it from this point to the center of circle and make relation vertical. Now this is fully defined. So save and exit from sketch. Now sketch on this face and make normal to. Draw a circle. Define it 200 millimeters. Press OK button. Now click on this point and this point, make relation horizontal. Save and exit from sketch. At this time, in the Features tab, click on Lofted Cut command. First of all, select this circle and then this circle. Press OK button. Now click on this arrow below the reference geometry and select plane. Click on this face as first reference. Check into this box, flip offset. Dimension is 150 millimeters. Press OK button. Now sketch on this plane. Select a center line. And draw ellipse. Save and exit from sketch. Now hide this plane. Again select Lofted Cut command. Select this circle and then this ellipse. Now press OK button. So for now, click on Shell command in the Features tab and select all these faces one by one. Check into this box, show preview and press OK button. So it was the simple way to make parts like this in SolidWorks. For more accuracy, you need to have precise dimensions. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time for my video.